Hi, I am Ridwan. Today I will show how to make Elementor widget with cursor. So it is my HTML markup. It is my hero section. Okay, it is my widget name. There is my widget name and render here. By default, I have a no markup here. Simply I go to my HTML markup and copy this section and go to cursor. Okay, it is my markup, so I paste here. Okay, I paste it and go element to style 1 already selected, so I can reselect style 1. It is showing I need controls. Okay, there I update my content image. Okay, I need to full with there is okay, it's working fine. And just copied this HTML markup. Uh, this is my ready-made plugin, or it is from long time, so I can show you just main details. Okay, I no need this. Okay, Control K. I need to big model. So there is GPT 4.1. I selected. You can paste your HTML markup here and write. I mean style. Style one content tag and prefix prefix style one. Okay, control right right. Okay, just enter now. Cursor already automatically create my controls. Okay, title button link subtitle right text. I hope he already complete this section. There have a image section, so title, button link, subtitle, right title, text. Okay, there is my markup. Markup is showing now. Control it is not a dynamic, just it is a control just created. Okay, and now we make a dynamic. Now select alt control. Okay, select alt control. Copy this and go your HTML markup and select all control and paste now. Our control already showing. Okay, it is fully dynamic created. Okay, content are going, image, image not sure. Okay, control is working. Fine.